Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Amit Patel and you are watching the show Musings with Software Engineers. Rahil Jain, I am into web and mobile app development since last 3 years. I have lost my interest in programming. Also I'm less aware of foundations and basic building blocks of programming and web and mobile app. Can you please suggest how and what I can do so that rest of my career would go productive? I'm not finding myself confident in anything. So Rahil, see, you have to get to the base of this. What is troubling you? If programming is difficult, you can get into testing, you can get into quality assurance, you can get into cloud services management. There are so many different things in IT industry which does not require programming. You can get into you can do some course on the side for HR, and you can get into HR related to software companies. So you can do various things within a software industry, and you can find out what is your interest. Okay, but if you lose interest, that means there is something which is troubling you, and you have to ask yourself a question: what is troubling you? Why you're losing interest with this? Okay, is there something personal? Then you have to fix those things and then come back to this. Okay, is it because you are finding it difficult? If you are finding it difficult, I'll tell you that lot of engineers think that learn one if I read one programming book, I am a big programmer. I read when I was becoming a programmer, I read the same book 5 times. 5 times. Okay, every time to do something, I had to read the book again, and then I had to learn more. Every time new things, I had to read the book again and learn more things. So, why you are losing interest? You first fix that part, whatever that part is. Okay, and a lot of people are losing interest because they feel jobs are not for me. You have had a good college life, you have enjoyed a lot. So think about business, think about, can you do entrepreneurship, can you do sales and marketing? Okay, if you like speaking, can you do sales and marketing? Is there anything else? Do you like documentation? Do you like, so something you can find something of your interest, and then life will become interesting. That's how it is. Consulting and business associate roles are very good. If you're good in talking, if you're good in customer service, then you should move to consulting roles and business associate roles, which will be more of communicating with the business, with the clients, and it is a new thing, and you can progress in that. Okay, and you're very young for 27. Don't be so worried at this age. Okay, see, here is the thing: if you're not enjoying programming, then you come out of programming and do something else. Talk to your company and tell the company that I'm not enjoying programming. Is there something else I can do within the company? On the side, you can go and you can do some course which will help you to get into consulting or business analyst role and all those roles. Business analyst is the starting role for getting into business analysis, and then progressing in that area. If you go on to get into sales and marketing, then find some place which will help you in sales and marketing for software companies. So that is how you have to get into it. So Rahil, you can also connect with me on LinkedIn, Rahil, and I can have a Zoom call with you and try to get to the bottom of what is your problem and see if we can solve it. See, I'm not like those gurus who have a solution for everything. I can just share my experience with you, and I can tell you that this is what you have to look into. But after that, you have to take action on that. Okay. Thank you very much. Live starts every Thursday, 9:05 p.m. Make sure you check out my program, A Players. You can enroll into A Players, it will help. For experienced people, this is a must if you want to grow within your company. Next time, certainly, I will take up your questions. Thank you very much.